it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us zombie. So it's kind of for the Halloween season. But yeah, we're going to draw a crewmate. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, and it will be fun, okay? So stay till the very end of the video. Like I said, it's not going to be any more than like 9 minutes maybe, and you'll be able to draw this forever, essentially, because it's real simple. Right here, I'm using the Crayola brand marker, and I'm using regular printing paper. If you like, you know, waking up and learning a little bit about drawing every day, like I post pretty much every day, hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification. It's just fun to kind of improve yourself gradually over the course of years, and like a year in, you'll be like, wow, I can't believe what I'm drawing now. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm doing, I'm going to start with a curved line over here for the top of, whoop, this marker's kind of, the marker's kind of dying on me. Ha ha ha. But no, for reals, it's dying on me. Curve over here for the top of the kind of visor, the crewmate. Curve over here to the front. I'm going to go along here in the side area. And then I'm going to pull underneath. Okay. Could pull a line back for the forehead on the front of the forehead here. See? Continue to pull the top over here. Oh gosh, sorry, my leg hurts. I'm gonna pull this line all the way down. All the way down. That's gonna be the longest stroke in the entire process. I'm gonna go over to the front. Over here. I'm gonna go around here and I'm gonna pull in for one of the legs. The legs looks like marshmallows or like teddy bear legs. If you think of like a teddy bear, that's kind of the feet that the crewmate has, right? And what I'm gonna do next is I'm actually gonna wait. What am I doing? Oh wait, yeah. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna pull up just a bit into the kind of that area, pulling forward, and then this line's gonna go up to meet that right there. So we have some overlapping. That's cool. So far, we just have a regular crewmate, right? So far, we're doing well. I have a bunch of, I have a lot of lessons on a regular crewmate, so go check out the link in the description. It's going to have the, what do you call it? Playlist. I've drawn over 50 lessons on different crewmates. I was like known for it for a while. And for over here, I'm gonna mark the backpack. It's normally halfway between the visor, like the top and the bottom of the visor, about halfway, and then you move backward, and you're gonna hit the, top of the backpack. Bottom usually aligns with the lower body. And I like marking them like that so that I can, I kind of know exactly where I'm gonna move my hand to hit that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go right here, out, curve downward here, curve in, and see, I hit that mark, and I like doing that. I don't like doing it on the fly very often. That's why I like marking stuff. And maybe I'll make a lesson on how I mark stuff. So what do we have right now? Regular crewmate. So now you gotta ask yourself, how do you zombify a crewmate? There's a lot of different ways. Number one, for sure, the visor's gotta be cracked or at least broken. So I'm gonna draw maybe crack network right there. See, it's kind of like just a wiggly random line. Think of it like lightning or something. And then this is going to come out over here. Again, like lightning. You're making one trail and it's going to break off into smaller trails. Okay? I'm going to draw a hole here as well. Maybe the crack pushed it to the point where it's open. And I'm going to fill this in to really show that there's like a hole in the crack there. Cool, cool. Right on. You could throw another one on this side because it probably just won't be a simple 1, 2. Right? And then throw another one over here. But littler, nothing as big. You want like a primary crack there, and then, that's kind of what you want. So what do you want for the mouth, right? I want to draw maybe like one of those pumpkin-y mouths, like maybe like, I know this is like more impostery, but one of those zigzag mouths. right? Something like that. You could keep it closed like that. I feel like a zombie would have it open more though. Right on. And he would probably have like, what do you call it? Like injuries of some kind. Zombies tend to have injuries. So you can draw wobbly stuff. See like a wobbly, think of like an ink blot or something, like the outside of an ink blot. Maybe something like that. Over here. I don't know. Maybe the backpack as well, I guess. Even though the backpack's not really, doesn't really make any sense. Throw these like marks over here, like lines, like they're scratches, right? Scratches kind of thing. And then inside some of the marks, like for example there, I want there to be like flesh showing. So I'm going to draw thin lines. Let me do this and I'll show you. See, thin lines go in one direction in that little ink blot shape, like there's flesh showing underneath. Right on. And I'm going to fill in the mouth as well. I'm just going to fill in with like a dark shape because it's opening up and there's not going to be a lot of light like poking in there. Right on. And that's it. We have a zombie crewmate. What you could do is you can color green, you can color any color you want, some sort of sickly color. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed that, and that's it. Hit that like button if you did enjoy that. And also, please share the video with someone that you think will enjoy it. We're getting into a very good time of year. We're getting October, and so I'm really excited for this time of year. And I really hope you have a great day, okay? That's pretty much it. Check out the cool stuff in the description that will make you a better artist. And if you're hearing me right now and you actually got through the lesson, congrats. Very few people get through the entire video of anything on YouTube. So congrats. Say hi to me and I'll know that you can hear me right now. Okay? Say hi to me in the comments. Talk to you later, and keep it easy, okay? Keep the drawing easy.